City rooftops host AI-driven gardens producing food efficiently. Drones monitor growth and deliver real-time data. Automated systems adjust water, lighting, and nutrients. Energy use is minimized using solar panels. AI optimizes plant growth, adapting to weather changes. Urban residents have fresh produce year-round. Local communities engage in tech-driven sustainability. AI predicts crop yields and detects plant diseases early. Data scientists develop new algorithms for plant health. AI-powered greenhouses reduce carbon footprint. Schools integrate this technology into their curriculum. Urban planners incorporate gardens into future designs. AI-driven agriculture reshapes urban landscapes. Residents learn sustainable practices using smart interfaces. The model is replicated globally, fostering food security.